In Indonesia, thousands of workers have staged a protest against the controversial Omnibus law in the capital, Jakarta. The bill was passed late last year as part of the government's efforts to restore the economy. Authorities say the legislation eases work regulations in order to attract investors and create jobs. But workers say it reduces wages and sets back their fundamental rights. Vandana Nanwani sent us this report from Jakarta.
So the Omnibus law was passed back in October 2020, and it was done to attract foreign and local businesses or investors in Indonesia by easing the restrictions, which basically means that both local and foreign businesses will be able to get their permits, their business permit, their land permit in a quicker and easier manner. However, there are some laws within the Omnibus law that has proved to be quite unfavorable for employees or workers in Indonesia. And many of them took to the streets to protest about it when the law was passed back in October. And they really protested against the Omnibus law, and they want the law to be completely cancelled or wiped out. And they still stand by it, as we could see from the Monday morning protest that happened in front of the Supreme Court. So some of the laws that proved to be unfavorable for employees but beneficial for investors is that businesses will not be given sanctions. And this is done to create a comfortable and conducive environment for investors to want to stay in Indonesia. However, on the flip side, workers won't be able to penalize companies for example, for not paying them on time or for not paying them at all for any reason. Now, another controversial law under the Omnibus law is the severance pay that has been reduced from 32 months previously. Now it's 19 months worth of salary, and this of course has proved to be disadvantageous for employees or workers who have worked in a company for years and even decades.